For the upcoming build that I'm doing with Streetblisters, they sent out a couple of their kits and their parts to be used on Hondas and other builds alike. They also sent out one of their new photo etch sets. It's a universal set with a lot of popular options that are used on the aftermarket Hondas, like some of the tow hooks, some of the braces for on the suspension parts, and even some of these grills for on the rear bumper, if you decide to do a cutout and put some mesh behind it for aerodynamic purposes or something like that, and also some nice hood latches as well. It's a nicely done piece from photo etch. It's a metal part and pretty easily used, and as I said, it's universal, so it doesn't really have to be used on just Hondas. You can use it on other kits as well.